No, it's actually like 4 p.m. But what is good, YouTube and YouTubettes, ladies and gents and ladies? This will be our second video. But we are gonna go drive to the gym. We gotta get those gains, you know? Lift some LBs. You know what I mean? You know what I say? Beautiful day. Very, very pretty. The sun is shining. See? The birds are twerking. I'll be honest, I can't see. I can't see shit out this thing. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribington. Subscribe. Oh God, those bumps. They're hitting the sweet spot every time. Like this big one right here. Oh! Yeah, we are going to the gym. I just got off work, so we're gonna run to the gym real quick, and then run right back and go back to work. So that's amazing. A little break, yo, that sun is crazy. Yeah, beautiful day out, man. 100%. 10 out of 10. Will definitely recommend a ride today. I'm gonna ride. I like riding. What? Oh, doggy, are you lost? No! Well, oh well. I gotta go to the gym. More important, they don't have the stock one on. And it doesn't look as big as mine. Like, it is super huge. It's super big. It gets in the way. It just looks like terrible. It's just big for no reason. So I gotta get the smaller one. I have to. Hey, there's a little meter over there. The pops. Woo! They get me going. Not like that. They're just nice to hear. Uh-oh. I'm getting a call. Sorry, can't answer you right now. I am currently driving, and that is not allowed. But yeah, so I was riding with one of my buddies. Shout out Garrison. He got a CBR 600, and once I see the video, I'm like, no! It was such good content. We were, you know, doing the little twisties. I called him Pookie. Saying nothing but good content. The next paycheck, I'm gonna go buy the tail tidy. I'm gonna record myself installing that, and then boom, we're just going up from there. You know, that's about it. I'm on Betty. I think just that's my name. There you guys go. Meet Betty. She's blue. Blue Betty. Betty. Yeah, I like that name. Got a nice ring to it. Yo, I'm about to ride Betty. Yup. I like it. I love it, actually. It's, you know, that's one thing that irks my nerves. Putting it in neutral, at a red light, then green light, boom. I gotta. That little, you know what I'm saying? She get up for real. She get up. Betty. Okay there, Betty. Let me hear you fart. What? Okay. my mic wasn't connected, but hello, we're back. A little night ride. It's actually beautiful, and the camera picks up the lighting very well. I'm using the DJI, the Action 5. I think Action 5 Pro. I think that's what it's called. It's an amazing camera. I think the battery life is like up to 4 hours. I'm also using the DJI microphone, which is amazing. Cause I know a couple of people that use like a GoPro, and they gotta like pretty much have this like wire adapter that connects through their like to the GoPro. The glass? But yeah, they got the cord like running from the GoPro into their helmet. It's just too many cords. Bro, you saw that? It's really just too many cords like going all over the place. So I got the DJI mic because it's Bluetooth, and it has like, I think this itself has like a couple hours on it as well for like battery life, and the pack comes with 2. And I got like the little charging case. It's amazing actually. I was doing I was gonna go with the GoPro. Say hello. Say hello. Hi. But yeah, so I was gonna go with the GoPro, but I just decided to go with this because it just like all around everything was like better for it. So I was just like whatever. Oh, I need to go. Oh, I actually need to go get some protein or some pre. Oh, hold up, I gotta turn around. I gotta get some pre-workout. Forgot. I think it should still be open. Oh, what was that? Oh, please don't let that be my tire. Oh my God, I would cry. I think I ran over something, guys. Not good. Not good at all. Yeah, we gotta go in here right quick. I need to go get some pre-workout. I ran out. I'm over here going to the gym on no pre-workout. Who does that? I just can't remember where the entrance is at. I hope it's not closed. I would be very upset. I think it's over here. I think so. This is the entrance to the mall, but I need the entrance to the mall and also like the entrance to that specific spot. I'm gonna park like right here. I'm not gonna lie. As long as he just give me a ticket. I got a weird feeling that he's gonna probably give me a ticket for that. Should I just be a good boy, or should I just let it happen? I'm not sure. Not sure what I should. Fuck it. I'm just gonna send it. I also can't go into the mall. Oh my God, I'm gonna get a fine. Fuck it, bro. I'm not gonna park here. I'm gonna get a fine, and I don't feel like being a bad kid. I'll be good today. I'll be good. I'll be a good boy. I don't want to get in trouble by any bullshit. So. Hush. I hear motorcycles around. Alright guys, I will be right back. I will be right back. Alright, we made it. We got the pre-workout. Side mission complete. No. Something smells like seafood. It's not me, okay? So let's get that clear. It is not me. I'm not the one that smells like seafood, okay? I just want to let that be known. It is not me. I don't think. Oh, these bikers. Biker buddies. Oh my god, I am in 5th gear. What am I doing? Oh my god, I'm a noob. A noob at this biker stuff, man. Here we are, all alone in this room. Oh, don't cry, baby girl. It's gonna be okay. You know what I haven't had happen to me? Somebody win a race. I've yet to have that happen. I thought that would be like the first thing I would encounter. What's up? We got biker buddies! Come on! I don't know where to go. I think he turned around. I love it. I love it. He's coming. Everybody be friends. Oh, yeah. Amazing! Magnifico! Magnificent! Goodbye, buddy! Goodbye! To the right lane. Alright, ladies and gentlemen and ladies, bikers and bikettes and bikers, this is the end of the video. Please like, comment, subscribe. If you are new to the channel, share, please share. It doesn't hurt. Just be great. Don't let anybody say you can't do it, because they said I shouldn't do YouTube. Said I can't do it. And look at me now. 0 subscribers. But I'm still motivated. Best believe. Alright, y'all. Kachiga.